Hey everyone, this is Rob with InVideo, and in today's video we'll see how you can upload your own media on InVideo. With InVideo, you can upload and edit your own images, videos, and audio files. To upload media onto your scene, please click on the Uploads button on the left panel. You can then click on the Uploads Media button and start selecting the files you want to upload to InVideo. You can upload files one by one, or you can select them in bulk and upload all of them together. The maximum file size for a single upload is 800 megabytes, and you can upload as many files as you'd like. To check the supported file types for uploading media, please hover over the I button under Upload Media. To manage your uploaded content better, you can create a folder in the Folders tab on the left panel. You can then go back in your Uploads section and then move your files from Uploads to specific folders, or you can upload directly inside a folder as well. All the uploads on your account are stored on the cloud. If you want to learn more about how you can make the most of InVideo, or have any other questions, check out our help page at help.invideo.io.